Yo, this is Hugo back with another video. We're just going to go through a quick weekly recap of what we saw this week and positions we were a part of. To start off the week, we were holding a trade from the week prior, which was Euro USD. So I definitely did the recap on this one already, but just want to, you know, emphasize we definitely got TP here for 100 pips on that one. So it definitely was a great trade to be in. For the rest of the week, we definitely focused on this 100. So really what it was just, just focusing on this pair because I really didn't want to really look at anything else kind of like the weeks prior. Just focusing on one or two. So in the beginning of the week, we were eating off that EU trade. Didn't really get anything else, on Tuesday, from what I remember. And what we did was, on Wednesday, we ended up seeing this move, which originally we were definitely looking for a sell. But then I actually saw price, kind of after this wick, looked like it was going to make a shift. So I definitely just told the chat to reverse the position here. Once we reversed the position here, we ended up getting some buy momentum. Got wicked for TP, which was awesome, which was 100 pips, and then all of a sudden prices kind of came down, which I think that was news. That kind of made it do that. Took out all the buyers that was attempting to, buy early, but I was only shooting for 100 pips, so I was able to, secure that, and then came down, and then price ended up elevating from there. So yeah, definitely a big move up after, it came down and took everybody out that was trying to buy early. And then we got Thursday here, which was a great sell down. We could go down the time frame. So I definitely saw that we could definitely get a sell here as price did close above, but I just felt like we were just gonna fill some of these areas that we left down here from this big momentum up. So I did put a sell stop here for us to, just get filled in. We did get filled in, and we were just aiming for 200 pips because I had a feeling it would at least come to this balance scale here. And we had a 50% below here, which I didn't think it was going to do all that at this time, at that time. But it definitely, ended up coming down, taking us out of 200 pips, regressing a bit, and then coming all the way down for 462 pips to the 50%, and almost 1,000 pips all the way down here. So it definitely was a big move. I didn't hold it until Friday at all. We kind of just got out of the markets after it took us out here, and I didn't trade Friday at all. So it definitely was a great week, in the markets with us just forecasting different moves in the market. It was great. Shout out to everybody in the chat in the Discord that was, a part of those trades. And, if you guys definitely have any questions about either, my trading style or, whatever the case may be, definitely feel free to tap into Discord as we're going to, be going into the week and seeing what we can capitalize off of. Um, Definitely this week was a great week, to trade NAS, and it did a lot of heavy momentum moves. You just have to, use great risk management, which we did on both ends, and risking nothing but 50 pips. So that was just my goal for the week, was just not risking anything over that. And thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe. Got a ton more videos coming your way. We got another video dropping in 2 days, so make sure you guys check out that. Um, and we're gonna continue to keep this momentum going, man, and keep attempting to go forward in the new year with TPs being hit, man. So definitely leave a comment below, like this video, and I'm Hugo, and I'm out.